Oh, fuck.
You can never find somebody do it like me. But you'll never ever find somebody do it like me.
Good morning, friends and traders. It's Thursday morning, day after the big Topstep Trader Meetup. Went out for a little bit afterwards. Everybody made it home alive. Actually, I haven't seen Dakota yet this morning, so I'm not sure he's alive, but I'm just gonna assume he is.
After a successful trader meetup, we went out to a few different bars and clubs. I got a few girls' numbers. I think Baron got a few girls' numbers. We had some fun.
It's pretty cool to see and meet people that you've spoken to on YouTube or through the chat or whatever it is. Kind of show up, meet you in real time, say, hey, you helped me with my trading journey. You helped me take a payout. And I think what's dope about Topstep, we have our traders, feels more like a family, we're a community that we're building. That's the dopest part of this to me.
We're supposed to be in the Cubs game, headed to the Cubs game here in about 5 minutes.
Feel like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple.
Are you doing what I think you're doing? There you are. Are you ready to eat, or you want to take it easy?
Baron is ready to sleep. I'm high-key dead, but I need to eat something. I had too many shots last night. Too many.
To a swift recovery at Swift.
We need some tequila shots to recovery. Baron.
We're all gonna match today. Gaggle.
I'm shy.
I loaded up.
Dakota got just ketchup on his. I won't tell anybody though.
7th inning stretch. This is the part where we stand up, Dakota. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. 'Cause 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
I hope you're all singing. Your mic's up.
Oh yeah.
You guys will have
I was like, how are we doing? Look at those hats.
How are you guys doing?
I gotta go though. I'm flying back home, so I want to say hi and bye.
This guy works.
It's a futures trading YouTube channel. So we're all futures traders. It's called Topstep. Topstep.
So what's the name of it now? The channel?
Topstep. TopstepTV.
Topstep.
I subscribe, so you don't.
Okay. All of my friends going crazy. I gotta brag on myself, I amaze me. I know I'm got something that can phase me. I'm too dope like I'm back in the 80s. Okay, go call me. And I'm
All right, so James and I are the only two non-cowards at the table at the moment. Another Malordsky. Cheers for the Gutski.
More for the cup.
All right. No reaction.
so I tell them that I'm on to the.
Cubs lost.
Yeah.
You guys both lost your bets.
We both lost our bets.
Can you believe that?
Yep.
Dakota and I placed completely opposite bets. I took the Cubs to win with the over. Over-under was 10.5. I took Cubs to win with the over. Dakota took the Brewers to win with the under. Total fade. And we both lost. We both lost.
Moral of the story: we got to relate everything we say back to trading.
Don't bet.
These guys weren't prepared for anything. We were standing outside waiting for the car, and it was like 90 degrees at the bottom of the stairs. None of them had sunglasses or hats on, and they were already sweating. We were only outside for 2 minutes.
First day at the ball game.
I'm like, go back upstairs and get your sunglasses and hats. Like, we didn't bring any of that stuff. So we went and bought everybody hats and sunglasses before the game.
These hats
came in clutch because
Oh, yeah.
Walking out of the stadium, I was taking a video of the Bucket Boys, the guys that play the drums on the buckets. I'm sitting there, 30-second video, end it, and I look up and I'm like, oh shit, where did they go? And everyone looks the same, everyone's wearing jerseys. So I look and I'm like, that giraffe is wearing the same hat as me. There's Baron. And,
What a beautiful night. Nice and cool out here now.
Oh, perfect. There's my ride.
I'm John Hoagland. Most people call me Hoag. It was my badge on the trading floor. Started in the industry in 1983. Member of the founding team here at Topstep. Been here 14 years. Very proud and happy about what we've accomplished here. It's been a great ride. Lots more to come.
Did Dakota tell you about our bets?
Would you faded the Cubs?
Yeah, and we both lost.
So we pull up to Wrigley.
okay.
First thing you do is you see which way the flags are blowing. Flags are blowing out.
Yeah.
Over. Hammer the over. Hammer the over.
Yeah.
Did you guys sing the song? Yes.
Seventh inning stretch?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Did you listen to first baseball game?
I said a few of the words.
Yeah.
Hold on, you some penis and cream.
I mean, I was mic'd up, so we'll see how much I sing.
1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the
I gotta get the lose. JD, what are we going for here? Just doing a deep dish pizza, right? Okay, yeah, I'll definitely do a thin crust of pats. And then
Pineapple.
get out of here with that.
Did you just say pineapple?
Sure did. Then we'll do one more.
Eat that one on the roof.
So I am laying out a bunch of different weird foods that we have talked about on the show at one point, and I'm hoping the guys are going to get a chance to try it all. Tell us what they think.
What are we starting with? I don't want to start with the fucking cookie, bro. I'm going to start with the Funyun Lays.
All right,
bro.
Funyun Lays.
Yeah, these don't sound that bad.
I'm sure they are.
These are better than Funyun.
Yeah, what's wrong with these?
I could eat it. I'm taking these for the flight tomorrow.
Cheese pizza Cheetos. Like these are just going to be good.
No, I don't like that.
All right, we got
They're good.
We got grilled beer brats Miller Lite Pringles. These are worse than these.
So it's supposed to taste like Oktoberfest? Like what?
I don't know.
Find out.
These have like a weird. We got beer can chicken.
Oh man. Oh no, I
Beer
can't
can
have
chicken,
that.
no way.
That's too spicy.
Beer can chicken?
It's spicy.
You're from you.
Eat spicy.
This?
That's spicy.
Red hot.
No, you missed one. You missed one.
I jumped the gun on one.
Easy to beer can chicken, right?
It's a beer can.
Yeah.
These taste like nothing.
Tastes like nothing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I
This
thought.
tastes
too.
like it tastes plain.
Yep.
Okay.
If you were going for cardboard flavor, 10 out of 10.
yeah,
But this is
All right, this is the
this is not
ranking.
good.
This is the ranking.
That's
Here, try
30.
it.
These are the best.
30.
These are the worst.
Wow. What?
Wait, you gotta eat
These don't taste like anything.
We got one more.
These
No,
are
we got
kind of
one more,
better.
dude.
We got more stuff.
Yeah, but the cookie, like out of the chip.
Exactly.
But now this is
And then we got the
this is
we got a Frank's hot buttercream frosted cookie. So
I got high hopes for this.
I don't.
So you're saying there's a chance?
It's not bad, but it's like the texture and everything.
Yeah.
Like it tricks your brain. I don't like it.
It doesn't taste bad, but that's not a good cookie.
it tricks you or it doesn't taste good?
Cookie textures.
It tastes fine.
It's not bad at all.
It tastes
Yeah,
fine.
It tastes
that's
fine.
good. That's good.
It's just
Good.
Yeah, that's good.
You would eat that.
I'm gonna finish this.
take a piece out.
Maybe I'm just stoned.
Wait, so this is for nothing?
This just
all
tastes
right.
good.
Smooth and original. Straight from the
I'm getting a
underground.
pound just eating this.
Listen to the real funk.
That's a 90. That's a 90.
Watch out if you're furious.
I saw the bean. I didn't get to touch it. I'm not gonna be able to touch the bean, but there's other beans in the world.
It goes on and on and on and on.
I mean, I'm still gonna eat it because like I started eating it, but it's just a lot of bread and sauce. Why?
2 bites in, it's now like at a 50. Too hungry. First bite always tastes so good. It changed my mind. This is my review of the deep dish here in Chicago.
Oh.
Ooh. We cut that 90 out.
As it turns out, we're not the only douchebags going to a casino at midnight on a Thursday, Andrew. How much you start with?
I just pulled a nickel out. We'll see what happens. We got my daily loss limit right here. I'm leaving with 6.
6?
300. I'm gonna leave with 1,300.
I got 3 bills.
What do you start with?
I'm leaving with 150, I'm guessing.
How we leaving the casino?
We're leaving $300 down.
Well, I thought I would go home with nothing. I got $200 in my pocket, but that's only because I went to the ATM again.
Oh man, we hit daily loss. All of us hit daily loss.
You were up $3,000.
I was up $3,000.
And then what happened?
We YOLO'd.
And I'm down 300 too. So we're all losers.
Process over profits did not work in the casino.
Fuck that casino.
We're gonna leave the shot up here for just a couple more seconds. Get your cameras ready, take your screenshots. All right, folks. TopstepTV, let's go. That's a fucking wrap.
Could never find somebody do it like me.
Thoughts on the week, thoughts on Chicago, thoughts on the meetup. Let's start with the meetup.
Meetup was absolutely amazing, man. So going into it, we really don't know what to expect. I think it exceeded any expectations that I could have had.
Out of you 4, who had the best time? Baron is the winner.
Made everyone rip tequila shots. That was fun.
You guys are the best. Hopefully we see you next week. Thanks for doing this again. And Wolrick, you guys just say this is TopstepTV. Let's go. Just hit me one time with it.
It was a countdown.
Let's go.
This is TopstepTV.
That was
Let's
awful.
go.
That
Let's
was
go.
awful. Wow. Wow, there it goes. Enough cameras. Get out of here.